Good morning, friends. Today we will study our fourth chapter, that is laws of motion. So first we see what is motion, or how can we say any body is in motion or is at rest. So if a body or if an object continuously changes its position with respect to time, then the body is said to be motion. Means for example, I am here in standing position, means I am not changing my position with respect to time, means time goes on changing, but still I am at rest. It means that I am not in motion. But if I change this my position from this side to this side in this way, it means that I am changing my position with respect to time, then I can say I am in motion. That is, if a body is continuously changing its position with respect to time, then the body is said to be motion. Now, in physics, there is a branch which deals with the study of this motion of the body, and this branch is called as the mechanics. So, mechanics can be defined as mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of motion of a body. Now there are two branches of mechanics. One is static and second is kinetics. So first is static. Static means rest, and second is kinetics. So kinetics means in motion. So statics is the branch of mechanics. This statics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of object at rest. Means the object is at rest and its study is doing in mechanics, and this branch is called as the static. Means static is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of object at rest under the action of unbalanced force or under the action of balanced force. And second is kinetics. So kinetics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the object with actual motion. Means in kinetics now, means I am in motion in this way, and therefore the second branch of mechanics is kinetics. This kinetics study the object with actual motion. Now again, there are two branches of kinetics. One is kinematics and second is dynamics. So kinematics is the branch of this kinetics. This kinematics is the branch of kinetics which describes various motion without discussing their actual cause. Means kinematics describes the various motion like linear motion or projectile motion or circular motion. Means these are different types of motions. So in kinematics, it describes various motion without discussing their cause, and the parameters in kinematics are used as distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, etc. These are the parameters. These parameters are also called as the states. So these are the parameters used in kinematics. And second branch of kinetics is dynamics. Means in this dynamics, it discuss or describe the different motions or various motions with actual cause. Means in dynamics we describe various motion along with their causes, and the parameters in dynamics are momentum, torque, work, force. These are the parameters used in dynamics, and this is our basic ideas about the laws of motion. Now after this we have to discuss or we have to study about the frame of reference or inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. So question is that what is frame of reference, or how can you define the frame of reference? So frame of reference means there are two words, frame and second is reference. Means whenever we have to locate our position, whenever we have to describe our position, we require some reference point. That is, suppose I am in the school. Means what is the distance of this school? Means obviously I can say from my home, or if I am coming with the bus, then what is the distance of school from bus stand? That bus stand or that my home is nothing but the reference point, and this is nothing but the set of coordinates in a coordinate system which require to describe the actual position of an object, and this set of coordinate of system is called as the frame of reference. So frame of reference is nothing but a set of coordinates with suitable origin to locate the position of object is called frame of reference. Now there are two types of frame of references. One is inertial frame of reference, this inertial frame of reference, and second is non-inertial frame of reference. So what is inertial frame of reference? So we can explain just with simple example. Means suppose I am standing on the platform in railway station. Means consider I am or yourself standing on a railway station or railway platform or bus stand. Now a train along with passenger is moving from the railway station and I am standing on the platform. So my frame of reference is platform and I am at rest, and the train along with the passengers are moving. So for me, train and passenger both are in motion, and that's why this train and passenger are in non-inertial frame of reference with respect to me, but I am with respect to platform, means platform and me both are in inertial frame of reference, because platform is rest, I am also rest, means speed of the platform and speed of me is same, means there is no relative velocity, there is no relative speed, or there is no external or actual net force act on us. Now second case, if the passengers in train moving with the constant velocity, then from other side, for the passenger in the train, we which are rest on the platform seems to be in motion, because as the train is moving in forward direction, the speed of the passenger and that of the train is same, because the passenger are moving in the train, it means that the speed of the passenger and the speed of the train is same, and for them we outside the, or we the persons outside the train that is on the platform are moving in the backward direction. Means in that case the relative velocity of the passenger and train is 0, because the speed of both is same, therefore the relative velocity is 0. Means for them we are in the non-inertial frame of reference, but they, means train and the passengers, are in the inertial frame of reference. So inertial frame of reference can be defined as, in inertial frame of reference, Newton's first law of motion holds good, because Newton's first law of motion is nothing but the law of inertia. Means unless an external force acts on the body remains in its position. Either it may in the state of rest or in the state of uniform motion. Means inertial frame of reference is a frame of reference in which Newton's first law of motion hold good. In this frame of reference, no net force acting on body, means net force acting is zero. Body move with constant velocity with the frame of reference. No acceleration is produced, means acceleration is zero, and therefore inertial frame of reference is also called as non-accelerated frame of reference. On the other hand, non-inertial frame of reference, non-inertial frame of reference. This can be defined as a frame of reference in which Newton's first law of motion does not hold good. In this frame of reference, Newton's first law of motion hold good. In non-inertial frame of reference, Newton's first law of motion does not hold good. Means in non-inertial frame of reference, external force act on the body. There is relative velocity between two frame of references or between two bodies, and therefore as there is relative velocity, they produce acceleration. They produce acceleration. Therefore it is also called as accelerated frame of reference. So in this way we can explain the inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference, and then we will discuss about the types of forces. These are nothing but the notes. You can note these notes for your exam point of view.